Hello friends, today we are learn A to Z and color name. So let's start. Yellow color, pink color, light green color, red color, sky blue color, black color, blue color, this pink color, orange color, white color, gray color, purple color, dark green color, brown color, orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Red color. A. A for apple. Sky blue color. B. B for butterfly. Dark green color. C. C for cat. Peach pink color. D. D for dog. Brown color. E. E for elephant. Light green color. F. F for fish. Pink color. G. G for grapes. Yellow color. H. H for hand. Blue color. I. I for ice cream. Purple color. J. J for joker. Orange color. K. K for kite. Red color. L. L for lemon. Sky blue color. M. M for monkey. Dark green color. N. N for nest. Peach pink color. O. O for onion. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Bye bye.